if you're like me, you've been looking for a fight stick for the PlayStation 5. You know, there's lots of them for the PS4, the Xbox One, 360, PS3, but none of them work on the PS5. Not even the TE3. But I might have something that does. What up, ladies and gents? It's your boy Mike Trades, and welcome to Mo Plays. Today we're gonna take a look and unbox the new QANBA Drone 2, brought to you by QANBA. You know, I've been looking for a stick for the PS5 for a long time, and I know this Street Fighter Horror Stick's coming out in June. By the time you guys watch it, it'll be coming out in June. I do have it pre-ordered because let's be real, I'm kind of a fight stick whore. But I believe that you need the tools for the trade to get things done. So, that being said, let's unbox this thing, and let's look at it, and let's see what's inside of it. So before we start, let me move this out of the way. Before we start, this is the box. It came like this. So again, I haven't opened it up or anything like that, you know. It says it weighs 2.8 pounds. I don't know if the camera's going to focus or not, but you know, whatever. And then, yeah, it came like this. So let's open it and let's see what it's like. So we're gonna slice right here, and hopefully we don't ruin anything. Okay. And I'm just throwing stuff all over my desk because that's what we do. All right. So, and it's not a paper box. Maybe they sealed it like that, but there's a side box right there. So let's pull it out. Okay. We're gonna dump this thing out. Unfold it. Ooh, sorry. And there we go. Okay. So, here it is. The QANBA Drone 2, PS5. It's official stick from QANBA. There's a side art, and here's more of it. It's got a handle. I let the handle go. It's got a handle. And again, more of that. Model N3. That's what's on the bottom. So, let's lay this thing down. Let's see. All right. And you guys see it's officially licensed. It's for PS5 and PS4. So, you can also use this PS4 as well. Okay. There's a tab we're looking for. So, it does have a tab right there. So we're gonna undo that tab, and then we're gonna lay this thing down, and let's open it up. You guys are getting the first peek just like I am. Okay. All right. Okay. Cool. So inside the box, you've got an instruction manual. You know, I don't know what real instructions you kind of need for it. I mean, it's a stick, you know, but it does tell you what comes in it. USB cord compartment, QANBA lever, 30 millimeter button, so 30 millimeter hole. So if you guys are thinking about swapping this out with SoundWaz, keep that in mind. Touchpad, mini buttons, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, options button, PS button, L3 button, turbo, create button, share button for PlayStation 4, the mute button, R3. The mode switch, compatibility switch, and the QANBA lever access hole is on the back. Okay, so that's cool. Thank you, paperwork. All right, styrofoam, because you know styrofoam's cool. Take that out too, and yeah, look at it. Let's leave that in there, and we'll pull it out. Here, we'll throw all the foam back in the box. This thing is really freaking light. I haven't touched the drone since the Drone 1 days. And yo, here it is. We're gonna slide it out. And yeah, this thing it's light. It's extremely light. It's got the QANBA stickers on it. You know, buttons. Man, they feel kind of mid, but it'll get the job done. Let's see. There is a square gate inside of it. Here's the share button that they were talking about. There's a touchpad as well, so you need a touchpad. There's a touchpad right there, and that's mainly for certain games. And then your L3 is right here. Your R3 is right here. It's kind of weird that they're kind of spaced far apart. There's a mute button for chat, turbo, and then your mode switches for PS5, PS4, and PC. And you've got the directional pad, the left stick and the right stick. And then again, these buttons are all covered. These are stickers. You can, pretty sure those come off. Let's look at the top of it. The top of it does have a headphone jack, so that's why the mute button's there. You look for a headphone jack. We see the stick the cord is encased right here, so it is wired. You get your cord encased right there, so it sticks in now, just kind of like, again, like the original QANBA drone. And that's about it, you know. The bottom has the joystick release hole, so if you want to tighten it up, you'll turn this and then you'll pull this out. You'll be able to tighten your stick or take it off if you want to do any modding or anything of that nature. All right, so let's peel these stickers off, and because the stickers are really hard. Wait, are those not stickers? Is that artwork? No, they're stickers. That's what I thought. Yeah, those come off. I was gonna say, yeah, those come off. ASMR. Pulling out the stickers. So we're gonna peel all these off. Finally, sticker number 9, so 8. So yeah, it's all off of there now. Okay, stick's kind of short, but we can do things. We can, All right, so let's load a game up and let's see how this works on PC and on PS5.
When it's all said and done, they gon' call me a legend.
Yeah.
I love to break bread, but I'd rather break records.
Let us begin.
Let me have some fun.
Round 1. Fight.
Okay. I came in here not knowing anything about this goddamn game. That's my fault. But things work. Okay, so we got level 1. Okay. Well, it feels good. It does. It feels really good. Yeah, hold that Tatsu, my guy. Hold that Tatsu. Yeah.
Round 2. Fight.
Does he have an air Tatsu? He does. Okay. Listen, this could have been in the Stone Age. Hold on, let me check the command list real fast, chat. Look. Let me check the command list real quick. Okay, that's how we drive Impact. Okay, cool. So he's got parries, he's got that, and then okay, so he does have that. So he's got Shin Hadoken, okay. Shin Shoryuken. Wow, they taught Shin Shoryuken to a kick, okay. So was that 1 or 2? Alright, so it's 3. So it's only 1, okay, cool. No wake up DPs. Yeah, hit him low. Hit him low. Run that back. Run it back. Here. You have to request a rematch. Okay. thrust kick. Well, they're calling it thrust kick now. Can we talk about how this is no longer called thrust kick? Yeah, suck it, nerd. Suck that perfect.
This fist is everything to me. Round 2. Fight.
So
How's this?
so grab is still light punch. Okay.
I gotcha.
Good punish.
No escape.
So wait, so you can just grab me out of that? I don't think you like that perfect. That's okay, we're going for the cinematic anyway. I will say this also, it's the first time he playing Street Fighter 5. Sir.
This is mine.
Go to sleep.
See when you grab him. Shoot up, sit him down.
Real
Sit him
wins.
down. Promotion match. That's how we know we haven't played this one forever.
Round 1. Fight.
Oh, missing double action.
KO. Round 2.
Hit him in the gut.
Fight.
Spinning DC. Alright. That feels good too.
You win.
It does. It feels really flipping good. So overall, like, it's a good stick. Feels really nice in the hands. It's actually really light. Like when they say it's 2 pounds, like literally you could do this, whatever else, right? I wish I had like a breakaway so that you could take it with you on the road. But I mean, like, there's mods you can do. You can swap it out. You can put sticks in there that'll just easily just swap in and out. So it feels good. I like it. This cost $150. So this is $150. The Street Fighter stick coming out next month is $229. So that's something that you want to keep in mind as well going forward in the future. This does work on PC, so if you need a stick for PC, you can dual this. And a lot of people are buying this stick and they're modding the stick. So a lot of people are buying them and they're swapping them with Sanwa levers and Sanwa buttons or Famitsu sticks. So you can do all that stuff right now. But it's a good budget stick. It's a good entry stick for PS5, PS4, for PC. Get you in the door. But thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you hanging out. And make sure to hit the like button on the way out. I'll catch you on the next one. Later.